Welcome to Ausbiotech Spotlight Series, and this is the story of Orthocell. The journey that we've been on to get to this stage of the company really is a 20-year journey. It encompassed activities in a previous company called Verigen. This was the first cellular therapy for regenerative medicine in the orthopedic sphere. That company we grew to over a $10 million revenue here in Australia and led the trade sale to a large multinational American group. And it was out of those sets of circumstances that we began to realise that there was a much bigger market than cartilage, a much bigger market in soft tissue reconstruction. So we realised there was a clinical need, and we also realised at the same time that there was exceptionally large markets that were not currently being addressed.
I think the smartest people in the world make complex things simple. And regenerative medicine is extremely complex.
We've created a suite of collagen medical devices, collagen sheets, and all three of those products have the same regenerative medicine concepts. The unmet clinical need that we're addressing, let's focus on the nerve repair. We see inconsistent outcomes when joining two nerves together using a needle and a thread. Our product is used to wrap around the nerve, joining the two nerves together, so our products are aiding surgeons.
In situ tissue-guided regeneration, and Orthocell sitting right there.
That's a particularly proud and pivotal moment. We've had 15 different regulatory approvals over the last 2 years.
And what really makes it unique is they've made it work right here in WA, all the way through the pipeline.
Achieving an FDA approval for an Australian invention is the pinnacle of success when you're talking about a biotech.
To have two products now approved in the US is a fantastic feather in our cap and really is a testament to the quality of the products that we produce. We're a company that is rapidly driving towards commercial success. We have manufacturing pedigree here now.
So the partnership with BioHorizons was critical to the success.
Not just an important one for our company, but I think an important one for medical device manufacturers in this country. So one of the largest dental companies in the world saw fit to pay us upfront $23.5 million to secure global rights to that product,
which they could then invest, which came out in the launch then of our nerve product and into USA approvals. And I can't say enough about Orthocell's global potential.
And so what we've done as a company is we've forged translational pathways to show that you can take ideas and concepts into reimbursement. You can achieve these things internationally from this country. It's a fantastic foundation for which to do so. And so I believe that we're capable in this country of anything now.